Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my Move the Switch project, which is in its setup quite simple. A controller connected to a laptop on which runs Linux, and controllable software is from Python, and then a motor which moves this part back and forth touching switches. So one is here, one is right there underneath, and here are the switches for going back and forth. Then two lamps, and well, it's quite basic, but this is an off the convention video, and that means that there's something wrong, which there is. Just a wire being loose, but during the convention it doesn't run for 5 minutes or half an hour, it runs for at least 4 hours. And that brings other things to light. For example, does this screw pump stay intact? Well, the answer in 4 hours is no, because this part is, well, changing a bit, and then the segments are not staying together. So how to solve that is another question, and first thing to solve is obviously this wire. So let's see how to solve that. Problem with the wire, and I see that I have to adjust the camera a little bit. This wire problem should be quite simple. If I look at this lamp, then the ground goes here. And that means that this wire could go here, but then the question is, where does it go? I have here a loose connector which stays loose, and I think I used adhesive tape for that, but right now I should have another connector right here, so it works out. And the only way to find that out is with the coda lamp and lamp, which is which. Let's just run it, opening a terminal. And then Python, go. And yeah, that was the idea. So yes, it should be here. And now you see another thing here. The screw pump segments are torn apart or pulled apart. So that is one reason that I need to adjust the whole setup here. Okay, so this, I can't call this fixed. So straightening the wire a bit. How did it come out anyway? Oh, I know, because here is a connector which has no wire. So this should be in here. Right. Quit, because this doesn't work for now. Too flexible. Let me fix this one, which, by the way, does have a screw in it. So all I need to do is loosen the screw, put the wire back in it, and then hopefully it stays fit. Okay, now let's for now push everything back. So here, this is, by the way, immediately proof that this needs to be set somehow. But right now, the question is for the wire of this lamp. Let's go again. Oh, and here it goes apart again. So something really isn't quite all right. And on that end, I really need to fix it, because with every, see, yeah. Okay, so this is fixed. Now I really have to fix it on this part. And that is it for now. Thank you for watching an after convention video with some fixes. Not all of them 100% solved, but more than enough to keep functioning. Some additions, and it all works nicely also in the software. If you want to know in detail what I did and how I overcome some problems, you have to watch the full version. Other than that, it works like a charm for now. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and yes, subscribing is down below, by the way. Thank you for my supporters, and if you want to support, then you can do so via Patreon, via Ko-fi, and via PayPal. And without being a member, you can also buy my video just for once via my Ko-fi shop. This is probably going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.